That looks good right there. Got some cilantro in there, some beans, ground beef, of course. My goodness.
Yes, indeed.
Let's see. Did the bread rise all the way yet?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Let me show y'all the bread. There is the fry bread. And then Mom's about to, I guess, put them together, lay them out.
Yep. I need to taste the beans real quick.
Don't believe me, Dad.
Okay, okay.
I'm thinking
Okay, okay. Faith just ran outside with a pamper on to go jump on a trampoline, and it's about 40 degrees outside. Who does she think she is? She has on a jacket, but nothing but. She's silly.
She has a pull-up on.
Yeah. Pull
and
up.
a jacket and a shirt. And some socks.
And some socks.
It's good. Just needs a little bit more seasoning.
Y'all comment down below if you ever had fry bread, Navajo tacos. Let us know. Mom learned her recipe. She learned from her mom, but she never. She just started really making it this year, right?
No.
Or last year?
2020.
In 2020. Okay.
Yes. Unfortunately, after my mom passed away.
Right.
We had our first gathering to celebrate. It was like her birthday or her anniversary or something.
Mm-hmm.
And so I was like, you know what? Let me show my mom I could do it.
Hey.
And I did it.
Yeah.
And she gave me like, there really is no recipe. Like she told me the ingredients that I need to do, and I grew up watching her do it. So
Right.
I just applied that and it worked out.
Rest in heaven, Mom. Rest in heaven, for sure. All right, so of course, with the oil, I wonder how long it takes for oil to reach the right temperature of frying. But on our stove, we have a problem. It's kind of broke. Okay, we can turn it on medium; it'll end up high, right? I'll have to turn it off, then turn it back on. I don't know if anybody else has issues with these electric type of stoves, but that's our issue. So it's always a challenge when we fry stuff. It's crazy.
The temperature is not regulated.
At all, y'all. It sucks, but you know, we make it work.
Okay, so I'm getting this ready for the bread. Bread on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's done cooking.
Okay. So, Mom's going to show y'all how you really pan out the fry bread. Mom said, talk about tooting your own horn. She tooting that horn. It must be good.
It might be good. Those are just the ingredients that we're gonna
Use.
use.
It's a technique to this. It really is.
It really is.
I think the first time you made it, you got it right.
I got it right.
Your mom was with you. Like, I'm
was.
thinking, like, she had to be with you. Because
So
you got it right. I was like, oh my gosh.
And everybody says it tastes like my mom's. So that's a
Yeah.
huge
That's a nice compliment.
compliment.
Yep.
The counter is clean. I wiped it and washed it down.
And my hands are clean. You know, people be saying stuff. They funny.
I know.
Yeah, you dirty. Your hands is dirty. But
That's
no.
food we eat.
taco.
Yeah, you eat, sweetheart. After you eat. Go get some pants on, please.
Not even wet.
He is so loud,
He is
y'all.
loud.
He doesn't even know how loud he is sometimes.
Not I'm him, not she.
Exactly. Now, traditionally, you don't do rolling pin.
Right,
That's just how I like to do it.
right.
Speeds it up for me.
Say hi, Christian, since you over
I'll
here.
get a boy. I got it.
No.
No, maybe stand out the way. Cause that messed up, y'all. But you kids shouldn't be in the kitchen. I wonder if y'all agree. When it's time to cook, kids shouldn't be in the kitchen. Get some pants on.
That's just for your own. That's not so
All right,
over
y'all.
here.
Let's do this. It's about that time.
Wait, are you gonna fry this or not?
We're about to fry the fry bread.
Let go.
All right, y'all. Here is the first one. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, is it even hot enough yet? I was about to put it on. It's not even hot enough, y'all. Hold on. Let me. That's such a noob mistake. I might not be Navajo, but I take pride in how I fry it. I fry it pretty good, though.
I'm not big on frying stuff, y'all. I don't like to fry.
Yeah, so Mom, for some reason, anytime it's time to fry, she is nowhere to be seen. She will stay away from that stove when it's time to fry something, y'all.
Like
Every
Oh,
time.
it's
Kendrick, be loud. Okay. Let's see. Always make sure there's a hole in there. I turned it up higher, which of course I'm gonna have to play with it and turn it right back down. There we go. Alright, you see the bubbles coming up. That's how it happens. And that was like a perfect size fry bread too as well. Let's see. Alright.
I don't want to try, Mom.
All the kids are doing their own fry bread right now. They're playing with it. Yes, baby. Wait. Okay. Let's see. We got to make sure the brown starts either in that hole where the bubble is. You'll see the brown, or around it. Hey, it's
Careful, it's
careful.
hot. Hey,
It's
come on this
hey,
side.
out the kitchen.
Go this way.
You see what I'm saying?
Play. That's just free to play. No. Mommy's trying to get dinner going with Dad. You guys, please stay away. We have hot oil.
Yes, it's not safe for babies in
We
here.
just play with this and not fry it.
Yes.
Okay, play with it. Then if you have
So
to
usually the kids want to play with the piece of the dough.
Mhm.
I want to eat it.
Sometimes we'll fry theirs, but we're just gonna let them play with this piece.
I'm
Their
going to eat the
pieces.
raw dough. Look.
Y'all, so to be real with
Can you
y'all,
eat it?
yeah. Oh, there it goes. That's what I was looking for, that color. I'm gonna try to, cause you know how it's bright.
That's yummy.
It's hard for everybody to see.
Mom, look. Can you
Hold
come
on,
to the
let's see.
kitchen?
There we go. I'll do that so you can see it
Where's
better.
my toys? Look, I got a penny to make shakes. Hey,
Oh, wee.
look, we're gonna make shakes. No, we just buy them.
So we usually use, what do they call this? Just tongs or
Yeah, it's like a fork.
like a. All right, here's an example. The first one's always no good.
Yeah.
The first one's like that usually, but you know. how it is. So let's go ahead and get this one. This one we're gonna get right on this one. Because the hotter it is, the better it'll fluff up real quick.
Mom, I want to.
There you go. That one's fluffing up. It was because the oil wasn't hot enough. But this one, you'll see it fluffy. Let's get it. Let's go, y'all. It's time.
Idea.
This is about to be it. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Yep, that's what we'll be looking for right there.
It's bacon.
That's what you want.
Hey, give me my quarter. That's mine. No, no, I found it for apples.
All right.
To me, are they coming out way thin?
Yeah, they're a little thin right now, but you know, it ain't like horrible. They're not fluffy as usual. Usually supposed to be fluffier. Did you add enough baking powder?
Probably not.
Yeah.
I
That's what
added some powdered milk as well.
I still think it's because the oil's not super hot.
Yeah. That stove is definitely
It's a weird stove.
slow.
Though.
Look, Mama ruined it with something.
Good job.
My chef.
Oh, you a chef.
I'm a chef
Go
too.
girl.
Cash too. I'm the master chef. No, I am master. Shut up. I can make a whole thing. You the.
Hendrik, you don't talk
no.
like that. All right, this one's fluffing up, babe.
Okay, good.
There we go. I think it was just because the oil. Yeah, it's fluffing real nice.
Oil wasn't hot enough.
Nope.
Y'all, this is the life of having 5 kids.
That's
Five
mine.
kids. fake fry bread. He putting coins in his. Cash hitting it with toys.
And my face.
And Faith making a hot dog out of hers.
I'm gonna make a pretzel.
A pretzel?
I'm making one too.
You gonna make a pretzel too?
Make them make these pop.
There you go.
Okay. Alright.
Another thing is, I don't think they rose all the way. Y'all, elevation does matter. Sorry if the camera's kind of tilted.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah. Elevation does matter. And today just so happens to be a very
Rain.
cold, rainy day. Cloudy.
You think? I think that has something to do with like the dough and stuff. Somebody comment down below. Does weather have anything to do with how your dough rises when it comes to stuff like this?
Yeah.
I would think so, right?
This is the first time that I'm making it in this type of weather, and we're in Phoenix, so it's usually not like this.
Right.
And I know on the reservation it's higher elevation, which things taste so much better.
And
Even the pizza.
everything fluffs up better.
Yes. So even if we were to get pizza up north, like northern Arizona, it's gonna taste so much better because the elevation up there is
Right.
so much better versus down here. But yeah, this is the first time I've come across it not. It just doesn't feel right. But that's okay.
It's
Still
all
gonna
right.
taste good.
Yep. Alright, now Mom is putting some of the meat on the Navajo taco. It's looking good.
Drain some of the sauce, that way it's not soggy. Wait, this is for the baby, so we're not gonna put too much. Come over here and add some cheese.
Boom. And then they like sour cream, I think. So then lettuce,
No,
little lettuce.
They barely, yeah, just a little lettuce for them. They don't really eat too much, and sour cream.
Yep. And then traditionally, so for everyone else, we're going to be doing the tomatoes, the salsa, and all of that. But yeah, that's how it comes out. All right, Cash is going to do a quick taste test to see how it came out.
Oh my god.
He said, "Oh my god."
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Let's go. Good job, Mom.
Thank you, thank you.
I see why you said 9 out of 10, bro.
Is this flour?
It is delicious, y'all. Yo, again, if you haven't tried fry bread Navajo tacos, you're missing out. Make sure you try it out.